Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV, me blood clot.
Okay. Good night, sir. What a black. Suck your mother. What a black. 24-hour black. See you back when? Monday. Temu too bright, man. What a black, man. You say, keep my money come on this and what a Medz. I big up them friend them. You know, come with the disrespectful and style. Man. All me I say, just see me in a real life. I live a gun state, fun state, or drum state. See me, Khalil, Anthony Williamson in a real life and style me. I say I'm a star piece of blood clot for you. You see me? I'm not promote the violence. I come from my life, I do my thing, you start talk shit. Yo, right there. Like, I'm to the positive energy. You don't know me, I don't know you. But my life affect you. Like, come on. Black him and black him now, man. My life affect you. Like, stop doing that. Like, I need to get a hold on myself, bro. Like, boy. Yes, wait. Nobody don't know. See? No. Anything me do in life, it don't have to do with nobody. You see me? If me a batty man, if me suck pussy, if me a rapist, if me a thief, if me a gunman, that has nothing to do with nobody because when I'm there in jail for 2 weeks and I'm alone. So any day, like I don't need people, I don't need friends. You see me? You don't need people, you don't need friends. People are optional. Friends are optional. You understand me? I say, so any day, these people sit down and worry about your life and forget all totally forgot about theirs. You see me? And them not understand that. So any day, you know, afraid them brother. You see me? Any day, me look upon them. Look, I stay so far to me. You see, right now my ass fuck. It's my drink, normal juices. You see me? People, words are poor. Whatever you put out there, it will come right back for you. You see me? So if you want to say you want to come put out bad energy every day, bad energy will reach you back every day. Put out good, say something nice. You know, do something nice, do something nice. Talk to somebody, you understand what I say? I got you big up yourself. Stop with the bad energy every day and come back to your customer career like that. Don't go nowhere, man. That makes sense. Bumbo clot. What's your name then? Melo, big up your blood clot self, man. Listen, big up yourself. Yes, sir. But what I say is that focus on your thing. You can't buy that thing, man. Get a different one. See, focus on your thing. Who this? Bumbo clot, Melo. Melo,
Hey,
you know, say,
what's
Melo,
up?
I come cuss out the blood clot what day, you know. I say, after me and Melo talk
Huh.
live, I mean, are good. The drunk or block me. I can't stay alive. But guess what? You know what, go on.
Are
Thank you
you block
very
me?
much. I'm real.
Yeah, but tell my mother.
Realize my aunt black out. I must my friend, I apologize to her, yeah? Because we're good. We're good.
Okay. Yeah, I
Or,
never block my
or,
number.
how have you been? How was your day? What's up with you?
Good. Good. I try to wind down.
Yes,
That's what coming and
you
listen to
thank
me.
God for life and you thank God for everything. You bless him up, you rate him.
Of
Mm-hmm.
course, thank
Yeah,
God every day, all
oh,
day. I see, I do good. I'm so proud of you. When I see a picture, them say I work and I do good. I'm proud of you.
you know,
I
press.
like that.
I really do good in the middle. What's up? But no, I feel like me want to put it in the but no,
No, me I talk
yeah,
about
yeah,
work.
no. The thing is, no, I'm sure I don't like work for people, but that job here, I'm gonna get is like
Mm.
nobody now watch over me. It's like me work for myself, but I still like get a paycheck, isn't it?
Yeah, I like that. Like you manage your
Yeah.
own little
And
priorities.
when I go out, I just started working like 3 weeks ago. I'm like the better one I
Yeah.
have. Him want give me a promotion. You see me? I said to myself, say, blood clot. Just like that. Kawa. All the work set
You
up.
can see you working hard.
All the work set up is supposed to be 16 hour. You know, when I go in, I be a 20 hour I give them. Cause when I literally do no bag of work, we just come, set the cone them on the street, make sure so they carry them move. And when they move, that's it, just wait for the crew them to come in. And we say, okay, but we will, if I'm alive, and just do my thing same way. So, I
Okay, okay.
do that, make my money. Friday, I'm gonna get my check.
It a suit you and you get
Friday, I'm gonna
paid.
get my check, I say, big $1,400. Like, damn, I'm in the work for the whole week. I work like about 5 days, 4 days. I said, I like the work, I like the job. One of the things,
Yeah,
you know, fix up my credit, be like a witness, you know, but already, you know, yeah,
yeah.
and so reach me,
Mm,
it can't reach me again. Get what I'm saying?
mm,
Not nice what I go on, bro. But then, dead boy, oh no, then, brother, I thank God for life, you know. You see me? So, and I'm just saying,
yeah, no,
oh,
mm,
it's not a point, brother, like, them energy, they're going nowhere. One time, we used to get upset and cut. Huh? No, I can't say nothing for upset me now. But they had jail a month ago for 1.5 weeks by myself. Every time, man, I'm going to fuck
yeah,
up. Um, I want to know, I'm check out on the phone. I'm more than
mhm,
say something. I couldn't get to nobody, man. My phone, when the police have warned me, my phone is dead. Listen, me now, my phone dead. When
yeah.
I go like, oh, back,
So we, yeah,
1, 2, 3, 4 jail, and the prison for the jail, I'm saying. I don't right out
yeah.
and get R&R, Melo. I guess so. Number one, me not nobody know for call. Number two,
Release my own recording.
number two, me liar number so in there. Melo, them all bring immigration for me. And Jersey say, sorry, we don't
Jesus.
support ICE. As you mentioned,
Yeah,
I'm go court in New York with my next bill man now. I'm around put me on the judge. I said, listen, this is Utah. I'm 43. I'm coming from a 26, and him not have no farmer grounds charge. Like say the wrong place, wrong time, or
violent
yeah,
record.
either person where rape, but I have no. And that is what keeping me in America, right? I have a clean record. I mean, I keep it that way. If anybody with me just a record, I do it for a reason. You
You don't need to mess it up. Do your thing. Yeah, be yourself, but
know? Yeah, record bill
you
them,
know.
rise back my
But me haven't, me not even, you know, so me never notice say you never dip on the internet. I not even, I haven't been on the
that.
internet for a long time now. Cause from you tell me what you tell me, I'ma stop, I'ma step back, I'ma start studying with everything what you said to me.
Listen, man, you might have tell you certain things and the aggression, but you're free what I say, and you're looking at what I say, you know me not to okay. Yeah. So, yeah.
Yeah.
You come back,
So how you say, bro, now
it's
always.
just, man, with
Oh Jesus,
this
Jesus
government,
God.
or them in jail, like, bro, you know what I say? No fears me right now, brother. Thing is, you listen, man.
Yeah. Back to what I said.
I
I look
just
into
want to say
it and I
someone thing.
analyze it.
This is those things that you're taking. I swear on God, you cannot say that in front of me because I will stab you to death. Literally, with a nail clip. Alright. But back to me now is like, we'll talk, but I have to stay focused and get our life together, mama. Because I'm sure something.
From a talk to me, see me a fly back a new shop. And I soon drop the flyers, them
We'll
like my
talk.
focus, but
I know,
fully
I'm so black,
focus.
I don't know where, but yeah, I have to stay focused. I'm going to say something now. I'm going to show you something. You see, the day them are run, it will happen. The day I got done. So, it's anything you want to do, stay focused on it and don't rush it.
Yeah, that was my problem, the rush.
Oh,
That man
Melo,
decided to stop
I'm going to tell you
rush.
something, my man. I'm going to tell you what I'm going to learn. All right. When you know this, words are powerful.
Mm-hmm.
So, say, make, man, okay, yeah. True, that's true, yeah.
I'm gonna get that whistle.
Good, isn't it? The words are very powerful, isn't it? Yeah, you have to be careful. When you put
Mm-hmm.
out there, it comes right back at you. All right. Melo, you ever meet some people, you ever go around somebody yet, like when you go around the person, them, like, you love them, you don't know them, but you just love them. You just make you happy, you just feel nice.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Energy,
All right.
energy,
If I go around some
energy.
people, it's a miserable, you feel just kill them, you just eat them, you see them, you just feel miserable. They're not doing nothing, you know them, you know? But all you feel towards them, it's called energy. No, the world based upon for evil and good, oil and water. It's a sword of energy. So energy, you have to know your energy. You have to come around you,
Mm-hmm.
kill, you have to come around you and try for mash up.
Kill
Yes.
my energy, like,
All right.
yeah.
So this most of the time people come around, you know, I hear them stop talking, I see them just blow up in them, you know. What the
Yeah. All right. You my brethren them I said, cause them, but they were my brethren them now. Then whenever I'm brethren them, I'm big or everything. So them see and them sit back and say, "Well, go on." I explain to them what you say. When I'm originally already dip on the internet and I listen to everything, and them say, say, well, that nice say, I'm a lie. Can him cuss him say certain things, but then him dip on the phone all night I watch you asleep. The other night I come in the room and grab a whistle and the man dip on the phone. I have to walk back out. Yeah, can watch me all asleep. So the things them way say, it a contradict what him a do,
yeah.
you know? And it not look good. Cause you class me everywhere, but you watch me in my sleep. Yeah, do this, yeah, do that, yeah. It don't make no sense. We just leave it alone altogether. That drain my energy.
Yeah, you have to know where you work. And you have to know what.
So, back in my groove, me I do me hair, my nails, everything, but now everything I just back to myself. Nah, argue.
Well, I'm saying something. I just know, first thing first, you have to know what's your mission on earth, where you came here to do. You have to know your value of yourself. You see me? You have to know what you aim. You have to set a goal, you have to set a standard, you have to set a record. No, when you set all them something now, focus. You see that, the man a fucking and rip it up, shit tank. Alright, so that matter we are run and focus, but that's a distraction. Like no, I feel like me want to give my black son, I give my black woman, I show you. Those people are this exactly. I can't let them distract you from your goal. Melo, I'm explain something. Biden. Biden is better than you more than you. My president.
No,
So
sir.
that
Well, we are one
love
blood
yourself
with
and live up yourself. Make yourself care for yourself.
bro. It's not even love yourself. You see, when you say you love somebody and you go through it with somebody, you want to get the benefit out of that. You feel me? I'm not that type of girl. I'll do you see my act and my talk, but and all them something. I'm not a girl for pick up myself and want to go fuck. Bro, I'm not like that. Ask my brother and them boy make me not stay so. It take me a minute for come if I come out of a relationship. It take me a minute for I want to sleep with a man like 6 months to a year. So it's just like little shit like that. Right now, I just totally give up. That's not a
You can't
relationship
give
to
up,
me.
my man.
No, I talk about relationship. That's not a relationship to me. I give it up.
Melo,
I give
I'm
up.
saying something. You know, so you
Mm-hmm.
can't give up. Yeah, say just, mom, say something.
I mean, I never, one thing, but I never chat back to a man long distance at Jamaica again. That mean
Melo,
I never help at Jamaica.
listen, no,
Like from Jamaica. Sorry, no
no,
disrespect, no disrespect, no
that's not,
disrespect.
no, you have to, I'm just in a relationship, but I always say the thing. You have to set your standard and set your thing. Like, this is what your requirements are. This is what, oh, you really want your thing to go. You have to set the thing, number one.
Yeah, but me not really want it. Me really want to
Not,
come home and see my man at
not,
daytime
not,
and night time and something. No.
but hold on, this
Mm-mm.
is right about overall. You have to set a standard. You have to know
Yeah.
what you want. So, I'm saying something. You have some people coming in your life, and some people coming in your life for a reason, because season go off for the hype.
Mm-hmm.
Remember them come and say everybody this year, so them follow that trend there. But guess what? Guess what? Fuck them up now. Them don't know certain things now, but them are good at seeing and try it, and them get
Mm-hmm.
fucked. You see me? And then you have to know
Mm-hmm.
your word and yourself.
Yeah.
Yes, because okay, I'm gonna say this one, but what I'm saying is that no, if me make it know say yo, if you do this I keep on doing it, I'm not gonna stay.